nigga tried to put me in jail, and they gonna fuck your ass up.
They gonna do what?
You heard me, bitch.
Yeah. Got your ass on tape.
Try to put me in jail. Try to put me in jail. Try it.
What gonna happen?
Try it.
What gonna happen? You gonna call your cousins?
Try it.
Like you threatened you
Try
last
it.
time?
Try it.
Hmm?
Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it, bitch. Sick of your ugly ass, bitch. I'll throw this motherfucker over the fucking back. Think I won't throw it over the balcony, bitch. I'll submerge this shit in fucking water.
Get my phone. Stop trying to leak evidence. Still recording. You didn't get rid of the evidence this time, man. I got your ass.